Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the comments notifications on the Enki-Learn to Code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen, and here in the your experiences section you can find the last option, the settings. And in the notifications section you can find the first option, the comments, and just click to the next mobile icon, and the comments notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.